Youths, this is a bit of wonder with Doug. So we're just out here wandering around. Wanted to talk about astrobiology, aliens. So in astrobiology is basically the discipline of understanding understanding astronomy and also coupling it with understanding biology. So as we peer into the vast universe, we want to basically find out what type of planets could harbor life. But astrobiologists also tackle the question of what is life? What would it look like on other planets? Are we just looking at life the way we know it, which is a carbon-based life? Or can there be another formation of life? Astrobiologists have to tackle these really tough questions as well. But they're looking basically at the physical remnants of. We're looking at our planet, and we're trying to compare other exoplanets out there that may have life on them. So we're looking at indicators such as the planet being at the Goldilocks zone, so not too far from the sun and not too close to the sun, so that life may freeze or boil to death. Like Venus, which is just a bit too hot, and Mercury, just too hot. And then we have Mars, that once may have had life, but it's just a bit too far. So Earth is in that Goldilocks zone. And of course, there's other things that they look for, different elements on the planet, that ingredients that makes us. So they use basically a telescope plus a spectrometer, so they can analyze the light coming from these planets. And basically, a spectrometer allows you to see what elements that exists on that planet, elements and chemicals that exist on that planet, that can indicate if there is life or could be life on that planet. So, but one thing is this, that life is weird. If we actually analyze what intelligent life is, well, first we've got intelligent life and we've got life. They're both the same. They're both life. But intelligence is, in my view, a way of basically understanding the physical world and being able to manipulate it in accordance with that knowledge and understanding of the physical world. So we know the principles of the physical world, we understand it, intelligence, and we manipulate it for our leisure, survival, and for other reasons. If you think about it, so that's just intelligence. Intelligence is just moving around things in a way that is in sync with Mother Earth, or out of sync. Yeah. So that's basically just intelligence. But intelligence aside, so we have life itself, the physical body that can harbor the different intelligence, the physical body. So we are literally a ball of chemical reactions. Our bodies is just reacting, different types of chemicals, elements, everything is just reacting perfectly. And all this reaction, for some reason, allows my consciousness to wake up every morning and just be here in this physical body and be able to experience the world and also remember those experiences every minute, every day. That's what this physical body is allowing me to do. Because if you look at, we have different reactions that go on in the universe. Some, like a sun, it's just one giant reaction. We are so many different types of reactions at the same time. Our physical body is so many different types of reaction at the same time. What's the significance of that? We all know that on the periodic table, different elements wants to lose their outer shell, they want to gain an outer shell. That's how reactions occur. And different elements are made, different compounds are made from reacting different elements. Mixtures can happen. So life is a beautiful space that allows that harmony of reactions, of vastly different reactions to take place. So I have a question. What other place in the universe does these reactions, so the reaction that's occurring within us, we have we have metal in us, we have magnesium, we have different elements of metal in us that reacts. We have combustion to a degree, yes, and we have obviously we've got the gaseous exchange. We have different chemical reactions, electrical reactions with our nervous system. We have so many different types of reactions. So my question is, what part of the universe, is there any part of the universe where such an intricate, or doesn't have to be intricate, but any part of the universe that a reaction similar to our bodies occur? I hope you get what I'm trying to say. The question is there anywhere in the universe that has multiple different reactions occurring at almost the same time, like our bodies? I'm curious about that question. Curious about that. Maybe have a look. Anyway, that's just a bit of wonder with dog. Sometimes we dive into topics that we know the answers of, and sometimes we dive into topics that I don't have the answers for. But that's all part of the learning process. Being able to ask questions and being able to ask the right questions. Is there any right questions? But being able to ask questions and being aware of what you are asking is a beautiful part of discovery, because now I'm going to have a look at that. Anyway, guys, stay curious, stay blessed, peace.